obsessed with vinyls and CDs?
Lots of ins and outs. New shit has come to light. Sasta wala marine drive. You're on your Nadwar shit with that one. Well, I'm not the spokesperson for it.
You don't have to be the tourism department. Okay, so we're backstage at Lollapalooza, India, and I'm here with rapper Dhanji.
Dhanji Kumar.
Hi. So, I actually read there was one of your seniors from HB Kapadia New High School in Memnagar. He wrote a whole piece about you, man.
What?
It was super cute. His name is Kush Patel. And he said a lot of really interesting things about just your teenage years and how he saw
I do not know about this at all. Also, you're on your Nadwar shit with that one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Going back to high school.
Yeah, man. And you know what? And I'm going to tell you, he wrote some really beautiful things about you and your music and how it all started from even at that school level, how unbelievably talented you were and are. So one thing that I have to...
Why? I do not know this.
You don't know this?
Yeah.
Well, clearly you got to give some credit to your senior, okay? Because he saw.
Yeah.
And so there's one thing that he talks about in the beginnings of Dhanji as a rapper. And he was like, I remember sneaking out to catch late night shows at the drive-in cinema to jamming with friends at Taltej and South Bhopal.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you, and I'm kind of curious about this, is that so much of what you rap about is very close to your life in Ahmedabad, right?
Yeah.
And I feel like you have this kind of love-hate relationship with Ahmedabad.
Absolutely.
You love it because you grew up there, but there are things about it that you just don't like. So I'm kind of curious, what is that? What are the things that you love about it that you bring in your music, and what are the things that bother you the most?
It's like family. Sometimes you don't like your mausi. Can't get rid of them though. Right? So, yeah. It's just that. I can't rip it away either. That's something that I just can't get rid of.
Of course.
So, I'm embracing it and also hating it and loving it. And so, लोग आते हैं बोलते हैं कि मैं आया था अहमदाबाद आया था कुछ मजा नहीं आया मेरे को. I'm like, cool, great. Well, I'm not the spokesperson for it.
No. You don't have to be the tourism department.
Exactly. I'm talking, Ahmedabad is through me.
Yeah.
Yeah. For my music and everything, it's through me.
So can I ask you something? That teenager in school, what were you rapping about then?
I wasn't rapping them. I was rapping other raps.
Oh.
Yeah.
So then what was the first one you ever made that was like yours?
2018. 2017 I made it and 2018 I put it out. So that was the first time.
Yeah?
It was very situational type of.
What do you mean situational? What happened?
Matlab, just shit wasn't working out in life. And
You're being very vague, man. What happened?
yeah, that's perfect.
No.
That's perfect.
I'm curious. I want to know.
It's some of it is in my music, It's just outlined a little here and there, but I really don't want to go into
Fair enough.
because it's like a whole thing. So
It's complicated.
बहुत सारी चीजें, lots of ins and outs. Big Lebowski.
Big Lebowski. So
Lots of ins and outs. New shit has come to light.
yeah, no, fair enough. And I also feel like the interesting part of just your sort of life growing up and sort of being interested in rap music, also the fact that you were obsessed with vinyls and CDs,
Yeah.
that there was a place called Riverfront,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, they were from.
Where, yeah. And so
It's like हमारा सस्ता वाला marine drive.
So I want to know, like, why, like, everything is about streaming now.
Yeah.
So I want to know, for you, what were the things that you found really fascinating about the physical music versus, like, the streaming sort of world?
The element of choice. Streaming is now very much algorithmic, and
That's true.
most of the time you are not choosing what you want to listen to.
Yeah.
You are being fed.
That's-
So CDs is anything physical media is it's a shout out to a time when he did something and you did it. You didn't know. You took a leap of faith and love it, hate it type thing, you know. So
Also, I feel like then you feel like you've discovered it,
yeah, exactly. So all of that,
right?
all of the
What,
joys of that, you know.
what was like the first CD or vinyl that you were like, this is?
I've never got a vinyl. पहला vinyl में लेगा तो मैं अपना खुद का लेगा. I have also never got official CDs. We used to have a lot of
So what was what?
bootleg stuff.
So what was the like? What are some of the artists that you were like?
I was listening to a lot of on CDs. I was listening मेरा चाचा मामा लोग वो बहुत हिंदी music बहुत सुनाता था. So I think the first album I remember is दिल चाहता है.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, one of my favorites.
Yeah.
That bum 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 bum. I always remember it. Like it's like that. Those like 3-4 notes. You know, it's like
Yeah. I got it. Product.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've listened to your music. I have some favorites of your songs. Do you want to know?
Which
I'm gonna-
one do you hate
okay.
though?
No, I'm not a hater, man.
नहीं
It's all about the love.
out of like, you know, genuine love, you are like ये मेरे को पसंद नहीं आया. That's fair.
I don't know. I know the ones that I love because those are the ones that stand out to me.
There is
So
no
F3.
nuance to it.
F3. I have Put That on Wax.
Crazy.
Love it.
Yeah. Practice.
Jayanti
Jayanti, Drag Time.
and Vayudeva.
Yeah,
Devta.
Vayudevta, yeah. Track 13.
Those two are my favorites.
Crazy, yeah.
I don't know what that says about me,
Yeah.
but those are my favorites of yours. And I also am the kind of, I like a little bit of that slow jam. I like some of that.
Yeah.
You got some really cool
But
stuff.
out of time stuff. That's what I love about it.
Right?
Yeah.
I like that very syncopated sort of.
Yeah.
Can I ask you something? And I do think this is there with every sort of rapper that I talk to, is that having a good beat maker on speed dial is like the best. And you work with a lot of really great producers.
Yes.
Are there ones that like you're really excited about working with, or that are you like, this guy I have on my phone, speed dial, whenever I need beats, I call him on.
Circle Tone.
Circle Tone. He's on a lot of,
Tony Jokham, we call him.
yeah, he's on a lot of your stuff, and he's
Yeah.
very, very good.
Yeah, he's the man. Raslam, my brother from Ahmedabad. That's one man. Acharya.
They're really good.
There's boys around.
There are a lot, man.
Yeah.
So one thing, and this is something that I noticed about a lot of your announcements for your tours and all that, you have these black and white photocopies of like official circulars, legal notary paper types, and they're like from the office of Taltej Publishing Company.
Correct.
Why are you using this like sarkari kagaj as your? Do you have a problem with the bureaucratic world?
I don't have a problem. I'm acknowledging them, if anything.
Feel like I
I'm
see you,
acknowledging
man.
their existence and their presence, and their inescapable things that they, you know, like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also think that like
Like
they.
I have seen a lot growing up around. So, the cover art of the album is that. So the tour and everything was the same.
All for that. I do think that, do you, again, like with Ahmedabad, do you still also have a love-hate relationship with the bureaucracy in the same way? Or do you only hate? That's just like, I don't get me into trouble, man.
Yeah.
Sorry, dude.
She gets real.
Yeah, that's gonna real.
Yeah, I definitely have a love-hate relationship with Ahmedabad University, for sure.
I truly believe that.
Yeah.
So, now let's say I'm like now building a little story for you, okay?
Okay.
Now say we create a government, since you're talking about Bureau, we create a government department, Ministry of Hip Hop. You are minister in charge. What is the first bill in parliament you will put, sir?
Oh,
Come
man,
on.
This is so good. This is so good.
The power is in your hands, man. Gee.
Stop with the Teri Bandi bars if they are not good.
Got it.
If they're not good. I really would. I really love a creative Teri Bandi bar.
Right?
Yeah, it's just
the other
it's just above.
Fair enough.
Yeah, stop. You know, it's like stop rhyming
Yeah.
Hennessy with enemy. Park did that a lot, so it's.
I-
yeah.
So, my last question to you is, what can people look forward to on your set at Lola?
Anarchy.
Anarchy?
Yeah.
Any new stuff you're going to be playing? Any stuff that we haven't heard
One
before?
song
Really?
that is unreleased. Yeah.
What's
From
the
Drive-In
title?
Cinema 2.1. It's called Hashish Bite.
Drive-in cinema?
2.1.
We were talking about this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
So yeah, it's a sequel to the mixtape I had.
I'm excited. This is really cool.
Thank you.
Oh, Tanji, thank you so much. You hid it a lot behind this very tough exterior, but I broke in. Broke into your heart, man.
You think?
It's good, man. Thank you so much. And all the
Thank you.
best for your son.
Thank you,
Lola.
अनारकली पे कली सलीम जहांगीर अनारकली पे कली सलीम